In this video, I will show you how to transfer BNB from Trust Wallet to Bybit. To do this, first let's go and open up your Trust Wallet, and you need to of course own some BNB. Now make sure it's on the BNB Smart Chain, since that's the only supported network on Bybit. Now after doing that, click Send, and from here select BNB Smart Chain. And then you will need to put in an address and an amount. To find your address, just go and open on Bybit. And on Bybit, click on Deposit and then select Deposit Crypto. Now from here, just search for BNB and select Binance Coin. From here, for the chain type, you can see they only have BSC, which is Binance Smart Chain. So select that one and then just go and copy the wallet address and go back to Trust Wallet and then paste in the address right there. Then choose the amount you want to transfer. For example, I'll click Max and then click Next. Then here you will see the fee and stuff like that. From here, just go and click on Confirm. And then you can see it's now processing, and it will then go away from your balance right here, and it will show up in your Bybit balance. Now I'll just wait for it to show up on Bybit so that you can see that it actually works. So for me, it took about 3 minutes, and now as you can see, it has shown up. If I now go to my assets and then funding, you can see I now have about $10 here of BNB coin or Binance coin on Bybit. So now you know how to transfer BNB from Trust Wallet to Bybit. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.